down at 0.5%. If not, baby, kid, how will you cry? You must be 16 years old to watch it. So, that's all I have to say. Goodbye. They might cry if they watch it. Anyways, that's what I have to say. Goodbye. Oh my freaking god! Julian was Maria. What the hell? What the hell's wrong with you? You can't. I cannot believe you. I'm saying. Anyway, I can't believe you offended the the crying emoji. The crying video, which is just shocking. I cannot freaking god. Damn. It's what the hell is wrong with you, stupid bitch? This is gotta be one of the worst things you have ever done in the fucking world. Shut the fuck up, Joe. Most Maria. You make even shit when 2000 angry at you. And he's going to hate you for this. It's all because of your bad stuff that you have done. You know what? I had you're doomed now. You cannot escape from the doom you're going. And so he so you got caught in 4K by Agent 2000. So you affected the crying emoji. The crying after force of crying for something. What the hell is wrong with you? I cannot believe you did this. This situation is getting even more even way more or worse than that. caught on 4K.